Tell me of your deeds, so that I may record them. Be gone.
There's trouble brewing down below. Get to the mission terminal and get involved.
Right. Seeing as how you're new at this, I reckon the best thing to do is throw you in at the deep end, so enjoy. The heretics control the bulk of the transit mover network running through Chasm Station, moving supplies, personnel, the works. You're gonna redirect a train carrying an arch-heretic and ambush him on the platform. Got it? Then let's find out what you're made of.
We don't generally go in by the front door. Case in point, you'll need to use the ventilation tunnels to reach the market.
Seems like the ship mistress is mentoring Sister Pride. Bet she knows a thing or two about skullduggery.
I feel certain she's doing it purely to annoy Panic. Which is a splendid reason.
Yeah, things still seem tense between Brahms and the interrogator, don't they?
So long as we're not caught in the middle, I really don't care.
Shotgun!
That's the maintenance bay, you're on the right track. Keep it moving. Work as a team and you'll pull through.
Yes, yes! Oh, look! We made friends!
Pressure airlocks help the hive maintain integrity in the event of a disaster. I can't clear you to proceed unless you're all in position. That's the splice point down there. Get the data interrogator in place and let it do its work. Be warned, they're unreliable and prone to needing restarts. If that happens, one of you work on the fix, the rest watch their back. Got it?
Acceptable shot placement.
Shotgun sighted!
Data interrogation proceeding.
Sonics active.
restarted. Uplink restored. That's a relief.
Killed it!
Uplink back online. Well done.
This precursor kills me.
You've almost got it. At last. Get the revised schedule uploaded and hope we can make up for lost time. Right, that's the easy part done. Next up, Chasm Terminus and our unlucky arch heretic. In case you were wondering, so far I'm not impressed. Not one of you know Opus would last a day on Armageddon. Lucky for you, a term is a much softer billing. With a bit of luck, you might last long enough to be useful.
That's our purpose.
Yes, I'm sure that will make all the difference.
Can't you go any faster? We're going to have to open you up.
And that droid strike!
Categorize the station. If they'd done their job right, they'd have weeded out the heretics before this went sideways. It always falls to the soldiers to clean up other folks' mess. Fancy you, I guess. There's Chasm Station. Get yourselves inside.
The heretics are merely biding their time.
Identify!
Ammunition to be had.
Kill that foul
longer functional. Keep going. You're on the wrong side of the station.
Ammunition stash! Poxwalkers! All poxwalkers! I hate them!
Last gasp, but the main event's still to come. I hope you're ready to fight. That's the platform elevator, so get down there and end this. You can't take the target one-on-one, so work together. Teamwork, got it?
A med station? Excellent!
I'm okay! Go there! How can this place be so good?
Your soul is mine for the claiming!
Section redacted target confirmed. Go to work. Alright. Maybe you aren't as useless as I thought. Time will tell.
It's really not hard, siblings. The others can do it.
I will make an operative of you yet. me, what penances have you undertaken lately? Find solace in service.
I stand ready. What do you need? Do come back.
Do you not ever...
I exist to serve. Subroutine is reinitializing for new client.
I'm not going to say no if you want to trade. You tell people that I've got the stuff they want.
Hello. You don't have to go, unless you want.
Got a fine cut to your jib, you have. You'll be fine. And if you're not, I'll find a home for your
very
mother.
person I was looking for.
Atonement is the very worthiest of goals. You are lost. Find grace.
Intel retrieved from the ruins of Consora's Folly indicates that the heretics are scouring the Deadside rad zones outside the Hive. Atoman legend states that it is death to stray beyond Tertium's walls. You will be pleased to learn that this is not entirely true. Radstims will keep you alive for several minutes. Use this time wisely. Deadside remains a vast, uncharted wilderness, crawling with heretics. And perhaps others as yet unknown to us. They cannot be permitted to find what they seek. We must uncover the secrets of the sands. cheer varlets. I had need of your services. The desolate exclusion zones beyond Tertium's walls are overrun with cultists. Rannoch claims ignorance of their plans. This may even be true. Your task remains, however. Survival is secondary to seizing tech remnants before admonition can secure them. Is that clear? Tech remnants. So it begins.
Undertaking volcanic discharge.
Blasphemers among us, brothers and sisters.
Hello? I'm still here.
Site of interest reached. Search the area and be watchful for cultists.
The bounty of the sands is not for these interlopers. You make them understand.
That's going to be trouble. Mark my words.
Protocol Z9, cover fire. Assistance Protocol X44 underway.
I shall be sure to do so. Which one?
The heretics are merely biding their time.
It is the plural. Most of y'all are don't.
Great work. Our speech reflects this. Overload. Ranger has met unfunction.
Your survey scan is completing its analysis. Do not permit the enemy to interfere. Analysis completed. acceptable.
Too good for you, mutant!
Function delivered.
We must not fail the grandfather. Seek and kill.
The power is restored.
The Ranger is delivered to judgment!
I'd be angry too if I look like that! Oh, such a heartless hostile has gone crazy!
Kill the gunner! Drop her!
Is required. You cannot serve your Messiah down there.
My thanks to you.
I'd keep your distance! Help the target! Ah, we have killed the Foxmaster! Why must there be so many poxwalkers? Foul things!
They must be excised. This much is clear.
They must have moved on.
How is it that the interlopers still live? Explain.
Bring unfunction upon that house.
The interlopers remain, and I am running short on patience.
Call the war!
Precision.
The servo scout has concluded its scan. Proceed. You have exhausted all possible sites of interest in this scanning zone. Well done.
Time to prove something!
Enemies of the Omnissiah deserve no mercy.
Will this mission never end?
Your attitude is not conducive to success. You must be destroyed.
I do not fear death!
Visitor, do step inside. Don't bite the door. It tends to stick. Do not let them access the sanctuary.
That alerted every cultist for miles around. Hold out until the door opens.
It's a Foxmaster!
Voltage activated.
Brothers and sisters, let them drown beneath you.
troopers are vanished into the sanctuary. We cannot pursue.
And how are we today? Still blindly trudging into the darkness without asking questions? Excellent. Simply excellent. Magnificent. How could you have chosen anything else?
Soothing and well-deserved.
Farewell.
Report that they've left the sanctuary. Track them down. I thought that no one could live out in these spaces. Toxic air. That's what
Is that so? And how take care not to breathe?
Look at that! It's just for explosives.
I suppose that did take some skill. I'm placing it, all right?
Demolition charge in position.
Placing whatever this is.
I will not permit that to happen!
Even at the cost of your life.
Even then, my life has never been in the beneficent Emperor's hands!
Step inside, shelter from your woes, and mayhap acquire something useful.
Why have you not yet rendered the grandfather's judgment?
Permit the servo skull to finish its analysis. The scanning zone must be defended by you.
Electrifying.
What you will.
All hell to smoke! Feel them!
comes out.
And be revived!
Careful. Don't you know my sins are contagious?
Next waypoint.
Do you love the grandfather so little that you would fail him so readily?
Destroy that gun!
I shall smite you!
Losing too much blood! Roma is to be destroyed!
This promises to be an interesting exchange.
Need Medicaid, Rustbrain?
So soon. Well,
it is what it is.
We've left the Warren. Find them.
Transonics empowered! Chosen! That's our purpose.
Yes, I'm sure that will make all the difference.
Bring on function upon that rager!
Hiding or not, we will slay them!
Varlets, the servo skull is beginning its analysis. The spiky ones must not interfere. See to it.
Function upon that boxbuster!
This scan is complete. Did it yield anything of use?
Sniper excised!
Now that looks like a job for explosives.
Your efforts disappoint me, brothers and sisters.
Demolition charge!
The Emperor! Preserve us from the mutants!
Laser effective as you might think, Zealot.
Now don't be quiet.
Send forth the Grandfather's anointed one.
Epic warrior, glorious!
Destroyed the Foxburster.
I am dead! Carisol, who choose fury over faith!
Major is dead.
That's better. So much calmer.
The servo skull is active.
Feel the heat of Nargan! I am judgment! Face judgment, mutant!
Sonic strike.
The servo skull is scrutinizing your mind. Hold your ground. Repel the spiky ones.
I owe you, die. There is no other way.
The burrow's going to explode!
I hear the dead.
Voltaic overload.
Trust you can all see that. I see you, Gunner.
Ammunition resupply required. Drama dead.
You cannot hide from judgment, heretics!
The analysis is complete. Investigate your spoils.
Coming for you!
Get off, beast! Take protocol evasion. Bet unfunctional.
Nothing but a stench and a memory.
The drop is sent to the throne! Beware! Don't follow!
Our unstable withdraw.
Cannot hide from death!
Fire! Settle down. It's dead.
Why are they still alive? No more excuses.
Harlots, you have triggered an alarm.
Offset is going plenty of heretics inbound. Enjoy.
Somewhere close. I'm slaughtered. Monster!
last one.
Be my lead. Let them inspire you.
Voltaics activated.
You sure we can't requisition